Hi everybody, I wanted to do a long overdue update on my earring wall. This is a vintage 70s door hanger thing, but it has rings instead of beads. So I turned it into a YouTube background and I hang my earrings on it. Now recently I felt like it was kind of bare on the sides, and when I sit down you really only see that much of the earrings. So I started moving some things down. I have just some random things. I have an Aurora souvenir, a Free Willy thing because that was my childhood. I have this long scrunchie that's just purple and pretty, some sunglasses, although I'll have to make sure those don't reflect the ring light. Random feather from my bird. And then I have some corkboard over here that I just have a couple decorations up on right now. I'm looking forward to kind of rearranging that and seeing what's in the shot. So yeah, I mean that's what I've updated it with. I've always had these pins and flags up top, just so you can see that. There's a plant that goes all the way around the room that's over there. I've added a lot more earrings to it, so let me just kind of run through. And then I still have two other stations for earrings. One for ones that I just absolutely can't put on the wall. They have a straight post to stick in your ear instead of a hook. And then I have silver and gold little ones as well in a different place. So yeah, this is the current state of affairs, but I am going to decorate these and see what's in the shot and film with it today. So I hope you enjoy.